Switching gears, let's go ahead and turn in your Go Math Volume 2 books to page 627. And we're going to take a look at a few examples, make sure that you're doing them correctly, give you an opportunity to change some of those answers if need be, and make sure that we're all understanding this concept of perimeter. So for number one, we're given this grid paper here, and we need to find the perimeter by, again, imagining that we have this ant that starts right here and then works its way all the way back around to where we started. So what we do from here to here, that's going to be, let me go ahead and get a line right here. All right, from here to here, that's 1. All right, and go ahead and put that 1 right there. And again, same thing, we would draw another line from here to here. Okay, and that would end up giving us 2. All right, and that continues all the way around. All right, so here is going to be 3, and then here is going to be 4, and it's right in this area right here that we need to be very careful. All right, and we need to be careful because we want to make sure that everything is counted. So this right here is 5. All right, and then we're going to go down and get this one here that is 6. And now we're at 7 and 8, 9. And again, we're in a, we've got to be careful in this area right here. All right, so we will have 10. All right, and that 10 is actually this part of the figure right there. And then 11, and we are back up at 12 and back where we started right here. So the measurement here is going to be 12 centimeters. All right, this one here a little bit easier. All right, and I always like to kind of make a little mark or something here so I know where it was that I started. So let's try to do this a little bit more at once. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so this distance right here, okay, from here to here is 5 centimeters is what our measurement is. And then we've got 1, 2, so 2 centimeters. And then we've got 1, 2, 3 centimeters right here. And we're in one of those kind of, we got to be careful areas, all right, because we've got the 3 centimeters right here, and then we've got 1 centimeter, which takes care of this, and then we are at 2, and then back up to the 3 centimeters, and back to where we started. So what we've got are a lot of numbers to add up, all right? And we can just add that and say 5 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, and 3, all right? So did I get all of the numbers? I've got 6 right here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this way. So I've got them all. I'm ready to add them up. I'm going to try to use some compatible numbers here. 2 and 3, that's going to give me 5, plus this 5 right here. So now I'm at 10, and I can go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the perimeter of this shape right here is 16 centimeters. So what should we do in a case like number 5, where we don't have a shape, we don't have anything like this, all we have is words, and it says a figure with 4 sides that measures 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters and 5 centimeters and 1 centimeter. And we're thinking, oh my goodness, what does this shape look like? What's it supposed to be? Well, really, it doesn't matter, okay? Because all we are going to do is, again, imagine like that ant that traveled from one side to the other. All right, you just line those distances up and add them up. All right, right here, 4 and 6, that gives me 10. All right, and I can look right here and say, oh, 5 and 1, that gives me 6. So I'm looking at 16 centimeters for number 5.